In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animated abstract material in 3 minutes. Here are the full nodes. A new thing we're learning today is the node called value. When I play the animation, the value goes up on its own. I didn't even animate that. How would I have done that so easily? What does that purple highlight mean? We can create this automated animation by using a #frame command. But there's a bug associated with this node. If we change what was already designated as frame, the value node will no longer work. The only way to make it work again is by removing and adding the value node again like this. This is a math node with the multiply option activated. The nodes can be fully customized in order to create a new and unique material like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.